To draw a love letter, we need to start off with a rectangle, which is kind of like the envelope. And that's going to come up like that, maybe a bit higher. And then envelopes on the back, they're kind of folded over. We're going to want to have a kind of a thing like that. And then another one going across there and coming back down there like that. Okay, now we fill it full of love. And we need to have hearts sort of popping out. So we don't see the sharp pointy bit of the heart at the bottom because that's sort of inside. And it's like you've opened up a letter and all these hearts are popping out. Let's start one there like that. That might come around there. And maybe one more like that. And then we're going to want to draw the top bit of the envelope, which is the bit that you lick and stick. And that's going to come around like that. And use the point of your pen, and then you can draw. That's the kind of the licky, sticky bit. And let's make these a little bit shiny as well. So we put these little kind of sausages of light in there like that. And there, then they'll be kind of reflecting. Then all you need to do is colour it in. Maybe it's a pink envelope. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy so you can come and do lots more drawings with me. Why not join me on Patreon, where you can get colouring sheets and lots more. Bye.